Alright guys, what's up? I'm back with another video and I'm playing with Dominator again. I'll have a link in the video of this, in the description of this video. And nothing much happened, but I'll just tell you what happened. So I'm gonna start building a boathouse. So since I need to get some feathers. And alright, I just got done building the boathouse. Yeah. Alright, so it's day 3, I think, now. And I'm gonna go hunting. So Kelvin Hill was just in this file.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Alright. So that's like the end of this video. Sorry. But sorry, we didn't get a lot done. Dominator got his house done. In the next video, you'll see my house get done. And maybe in that exact same video, I think me and Dominator might go get the scuba gear to go get the shovel. Because you need the shovel to get a lot of things. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you liked all my videos, hit the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. So thank you all so much. I'm doing this for you guys. Have fun.